below. Okay? Take position. Sit down. पहले हम स्टार्ट किससे करते हैं? नेक्स्ट असेंबली में बताया था मैंने. Start with left nostril. Okay? Ready? Inhale. Eyes closed. And then exhale right. And then inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale. Exhale right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. And rub your hands. And place your eyes. Again rub. And slowly close your eyes. Open your eyes. Stand up.
Cool. Attention. Standing. Attention. A very prosperous and a very happy and prosperous good morning to everyone present over here. A new day means a fresh start with new opportunities. So let's greet our day by open arms. Ayahan of class 4 is a comparer of the day. Let's start our day by invoking the blessings of God. So let's start with the universal prayer song. तेरी है ज़मीन तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शीश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शीश कर तेरी है ज़मीन तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शीश कर सभी Now it's time to let everyone know that how important it is to pledge allegiance to our nation. So I would like to invite Sarthak for rendering the pledge. Dear friends, you all are requested to take the pledge position. India my country, and all Indians, are my brother and sister. I love my country, and I am proud of it. Rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, and prepare revolution, India's selfie and prosperity alone, like my happiness. Jai Hind. Until unless we are updated with what is happening across the frontiers of India, north, south, east, west, why we call it news? Not only the frontiers of India, we should also be updated with what is happening in the globe. So I will invite my friends for different components of news. It's time to hear some national news. I would like to call Nilesh.
Good morning everyone. Today's national news is CBSE warns schools against starting academic session before April 1st. Thank you and have a nice day.
Let's know what is happening at the international fraction. I would like to call Zen.
Today's international news is North Korea stings on events calls for nuclear attack natives against South Korea. Thank you.
It is not enough to know the national and international news. We should also know that the world has done some inventions and discoveries, which is important to be known. So here is the Eureka corner. I would like to call Ranvijay.
Good morning everyone. I am Ranvijay Singh. Today I am representing Eureka Corner. Alexander Fleming was a Scottish physician scientist who was recognized for discovering penicillin in 1928. He discovered the penicillin. Evangelista Foricelli was the inventor of the barometer. A barometer of air pressure is the first barometer was made in the year 1644 in Florence, Italy. Thank you and have a nice day.
We all know that the healthy mind resides in the healthy body, for which sports play the major role. So let's see that what are the recent sports victories. So I would like to call Grant.
Good morning everyone, I am Gaurav from class 4. Today's sports news is PV Sindhu will hope to get back to winning ways when she competes at the Swiss Open Super 300 tournament beginning in Basel on Tuesday. Thank you and have a nice day.
Finally, we should know what progressive things are happening across the globe in our country. Are there some regressive things that are pulling down our nation or our world, and how we should overcome them? For this, I would like to call Sarthak.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sarthak Patel of class 4. Today, regressive and progressive report. India hosted the 18th G20 summit in February 2023. Thank you and have a nice day.